Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to adjust the height and depth of the steering wheel. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I will mention you want to do this only when the vehicle is parked, you are not driving, and ideally the vehicle is turned off or in parking mode. If you look under the vehicle, you will notice a black lever on the left side, so you want to push that lever all the way down and this will unlock the steering wheel. Okay, and now you can move it up or down or pull it inward or outward, right? So you can adjust it to your personal preference. Okay, and once you're happy with the position of the steering wheel based on your height, arm length, seat position, things like that, you will lock this back. So you want to push this lever all the way up and that should do it. And always before driving, make sure that the steering wheel is firm and it's not loose anymore, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.